What is Web Content Download and how is it used? The Clover Imaging Group website is full of product information, such as product attributes, images, search terms, and various other information. Clover Imaging wants to make this information available to you, making it easier for you to update your website. To access Web Content Download, you have to log into your cloverimaging.com web user account and have permission to download web content. Please contact your user admin or web support at clovertech.com if you do not have but need this permission. Once you are logged in, click on Web Content Download under the My Tools section on the right-hand side navigation to open the Content Download page. This page will help you set up a frequent data feed or let you download the file once. There are a couple of steps required to set this up. The first step is to select a desired file structure. Clover is integrated with various e-commerce platforms and supports most of the popular online e-commerce solutions. Once you select the structure, you can define the frequency of the file delivery to daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Alternately, you can get the file once by selecting just once in the frequency drop-down. There are several methods for the file delivery. The most common methods are email and FTP. If email is selected, simply type the email address that should receive the file. Once you submit the request, the website will start processing the information and deliver the file to you within 10 minutes. During this process, you cannot request an additional file. If you select FTP as your delivery option, you will have to define FTP parameters. Once you complete this step, you can test the connection prior to activating and confirm everything looks good. Once you confirm that the connection is okay, you can move to the next step. The final step is to select which product categories and brands you want included in the file. You can do this by selecting from the product groups, brands, and OEM brands drop-down options. Once you have made your content selections, simply click Save and Activate. If this tutorial has not answered your question, or if you require additional assistance, you can use the live chat feature found on the bottom right-hand corner of cloverimaging.com. Or email us at websupport@clovertech.com.